Hello children, how are you? I hope all of you are doing very good. And since last few days, I'm watching that all of you are paying very good attention, and it is nice to see that all of you are responding promptly. You are asking question in between. I'm reading chapter, I'm explaining the chapter, and you are responding with me. It's very nice to see. Actually, beta, when child is active in meeting, it's very good for both teachers and children. It makes your class very active. So I wish you all the very best for your upcoming session, upcoming further studies. And today I will not teach you SST social science. Today I will teach you GK, because beta, everyday new things are happening around us, and GK is that subject which makes our knowledge sharper. And GK is not limited, there is no limit of GK. GK is very huge. General knowledge is very huge. And you know that in every competition exam, GK questions are asked, and each and every child must know about GK questions. And these GK questions are very interesting. These are GK is very huge, very vast, as I said. So GK can be about any human being, general knowledge question about any lifestyle, any plants, animals, about any country, about any living style, about any games, about lots of things are there. There are numberless topics for GK. So GK is always interesting, and the child who is putting interest in GK subject, they have very good knowledge. Even their memories and knowledge is very sharp. So today we are going to start first chapter of GK, and lots of pages are there, but we will take few pages in each and every period. Today we are going to have GK period. So we will start GK first chapter, and most probably we will be filling 4 pages today. And I am going to explain each and every page here, and after looking at the page, you please fill it properly with the help of pencil. Don't write anything wrong, and write neatly, write properly, and if you find any mistake, please cross check from my WhatsApp images. Okay beta, let's we start. So let's we have a glance on the first page of GK book. Beta, page number 5, chapter first is starting from page number 5. Everyone please take pencil in your hand, because one by one you all have to fill what I am filling here. Okay beta? First topic is complete the word. It means that there are some words given, and we have to fill each and every question by filling some proper words. Okay, so what can be that perfect word? Like जब हमें इसमें कुछ फिल करना है बेटा वर्ड को, तो ऐसा नहीं किसी भी वर्ड को फिल कर देना है. फाइन, we have to fill a word which makes a sensible meaning. हमें ऐसा वर्ड फिल करना है जिससे हमें कोई लास्ट में कोई कंप्लीट मीनिंग मिलता हो. ओके बेटा, सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ओवर डैश पास. सो व्हाट कैन बी पास more than requirement or out of limit? That is time. So correct answer is time. So what will be the complete sentence? Over time pass. What is the complete sentence? Over time pass. So which word we are filling here? We are filling time. What are we filling? Time. Second is note dash stall. Means what there can be a stall. Stall means a temporary shop. The stall can be of book. Means note book stall. Fine. Third is sketch dash stand. Means what is the stand we are talking about here? we are talking here about the stand of sketch pen. Sketch pen का stand होता है ना, इसमें बहुत सारे sketch pens रखते हैं. That is called sketch pen stand. Fourth is candle light house. Which kind of house is there? Candle light. Okay. Fifth is wasteland men. What will be the correct answer? Wasteland men. Six is wrist watch man. What is the answer? Wrist watch man. Seventh is post office van. Which van we are talking about here? We are talking about the van of post office. Eighth is high speed breaker. Means a breaker, a blockage which is resisting high speed moving cars. That is high speed breaker. There is a breaker for high speed vehicles. Next is leftover smart. What is leftover smart? 10th is hair band party. What will be the answer? Band. Band is the word which is joining hair and party. Means ki hair band party. So have you understood that this is all about the completing word? Beta, these are some blank lines where I have filled some suitable words, and by joining these suitable words we are getting a sensible sentence. Okay beta. Next is rhyme time. Rhyme time means that a word which is similar to the pronunciation of the other word. Means doll, ball, fire, higher. Means few alphabets are different, but the pronunciation, the rhyme is almost same. Okay beta. So first is near, and the similar rhyming word is fear. And rhyming words means along with these rhyming words we will know about the meaning of the word. Like first is near and rhyming word is fear. And what is the meaning of fear? Fear means afraid of, जिससे हमें डर लगता है. That is called afraid of. Second is ring. Ring's rhyming word is sing. And what is the meaning of sing? Sing means make musical sound. What is the meaning of the sing? It means make musical sound. Third is soul. Soul's rhyming word is foal, and foal means unpleasant. Unpleasant means which is not good, which does not create happiness. Fourth is halt. Halt rhyming word is fault, and fault means mistake. जो हम गलती करते हैं ना, that is called mistake or fault. Yes. Next is duck. Duck rhyming word luck, and luck means which brings good things. Means whatever good actions are happening in the life, that is called good luck. Okay. Next is sixth number, arrow. Arrow's rhyming word is narrow. So narrow means which is not wide, means which is very thin in line. So narrow means which is not wide. Wide means very wide, means जो बहुत चौड़ा होता है ना साइज में, उसका उल्टा क्या होता है, ऑपोजिट क्या होता है? Narrow. Narrow means सकड़ा, पतला. Fine. Next is right. Right. Next is right, and right meaning is fight. Right rhyming word is fight. So the word fight means violent struggle. It means that fighting or beating someone. So right similar word is fight, rhyming word is fight, and meaning is violent struggle. Next is brick. Brick's rhyming word is sick, and sick means which is not fit. It means unwell. Brick means unwell. जो इसकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं होती है, बीमार होता है ना, उसको हम कहते हैं sick. Grind. Grind rhyming word is find, and the find word means to discover. Discover means to search something. That is called discover. 10th is riddle. Riddle's rhyming word is middle. Riddle, middle. Okay. So middle means at the center. At the middle position, means in between two objects, two things, there is one more thing, that is called middle. So have you understood, beta? I hope all of you can see properly and all of you can go through the board and you can see that how nicely I have written, and you can follow in your book, and same as it is you will write in the book. Okay, beta. Now here we are going to write about circle the word which not belonging to a group. Okay, fine. Suppose for example, there is a carrot, there is a capsicum, there is an onion, there is a potato, and there is an apple. So which one is the odd one? Here we have to find which is the odd one. Okay. So odd one means that which is not belonging to a particular group. So what is the odd one? That is apple. Apple. Why apple is an odd word here? Because there is a group of vegetables. Capsicum, carrot, onion, potatoes. These are the names of vegetables. So these are of one group, and second group is of an apple. Means ki there is a different category which belongs to the fruits category. So there is no combination of these four vegetables and with one fruit. These are separating. So here same we have to do that which separate the group of words. So first is mixer, second iron, third geyser, and fourth is e-rickshaw. Beta, these are those electronic things which we are using at home, and e-rickshaws means a vehicle. These are home appliances. Mixer, iron, geyser. I hope all of you are using. Mixer you are using, your mother must be using in the kitchen. Iron we are using every day to make iron in the cloth, and the geyser we are using in the bathroom to make to get hot water. So these are the home appliances which we are using at home. And the fourth one is e-rickshaw. E-rickshaw means ki electronic rickshaw, but that is a kind of vehicle, not home appliances at all. Fine, beta. Second is cheat. What is the second number? Second number is cheat, lie, slide, trick. Okay. So what is the odd one? It is odd one is, which is the odd one? Odd one is the trick. Third number is bullet, rifle, gun, pistol. Bullet, rifle, gun, pistol. Beta, bullet is odd and different from rifle, gun, and pistol. Beta, these are a kind of handy weapons, and bullet is of different kind. Next is eyes, rose, lips, hand. So eyes, rose, lips, hand. Eyes is a body part, lips is a part of body, hand is also a part of body. So these three are belonging to the part of body, but rose is a kind of flower. This is not the kind of body. Okay. Fifth number is goat, snake, cow, hen. Now goat, cow, hen, these three are a same group of animal, but snake is a reptile. Snake is also an animal, but that is belonging to the reptile. वो जानवर जो जमीन पर घिस करके चलते हैं, जमीन पर रेंग रेंग के चलते हैं, that is called reptile. But goat, cow, and hen, they are walking on their legs. These are not reptiles at all. So snake is a category of reptile. So these is separated from the other group of animal. Fine. Next is Mercury, star, Mars, Jupiter. What is Mercury, star, Mars, and Jupiter? So beta, Mercury is a planet, Mars is a planet, Jupiter is a planet, but star is not a planet. So star is a different category which is separated from the category of planets like Mercury, Mars, and Jupiter. Fine. Next is doubt, strength, courage, determination. Now strength, courage, determination, these are the strong mental state which makes a human being positive and strong, complete. But doubt is something which is not stable, which is sometimes yes, which has sometimes no. So doubt is not positive in all way, it is always in the negative side. And strength, courage, and determination, it is the positive part of the mental state of a person. Fine. Next is coach, spectator, trainer, and teacher. Beta, these three persons, coach, trainer, and teacher, these are always a person who teaches, who gives training to others. These are of same category. those who deliberate knowledge, deliberate different skill. But spectator is not deliberating any knowledge in it meaning, because spectator is a person who is watching the game. Audience who are sitting in the stadium and watching the game, watching the entertaining part of the game, that they are called spectator. दर्शक जो हम हिंदी में कहते हैं, दर्शक देखने वाले, that is called spectator. Okay, so coach is not a spectator, trainer is not, teacher is not a spectator. So these are different from spectator. Next is mission, game, idea, purpose. Mission, game, idea and purpose. So mission, idea and purpose, this is a kind of a mental state again, which is are of the same type, but game is not a mental state, this is a physical activity. Okay, so mission, idea, purpose, this is all related to our mental state, mind state, but game is to be played physically. Okay beta, so that is why game is different from mission, idea and purpose. Fine. Next is island, plateau and ocean. What is island, plateau, ocean, mountain? One more. So beta, island, plateau, mountain, these three are formed on the portion of the land surface, but ocean is a water body. These are land forms, island, plateaus and mountains, these are land forms, but ocean is a water body. So ocean is different from these three land forms. That is why ocean is different from these all. So I hope all you have found that what is the topic all about. Now next come to the circle collective nouns. But a collective nouns means ki group of anything. Fine. Like table. Table is a single table. Chair means a single chair. Furniture means a combination of different kinds of furniture at home, like table, chair, almirah, sofa, that all included in furniture. This is not a particular one kind of furniture. It has many objects to be included in it. Next is sofa. Sofa also, and so here furniture is the answer of this question, where it has to be noted. Next is cereals, rice, maize and corn. Cereals means a different collection of grains, where rice, maize and corn are different from cereals. Fine. Next is pencil, means a one pencil. Where it is pencil written, then there is no pen, no eraser. It is talking about, here we are talking about only a category of pencil. Second is stationery, but stationery does not mean a single about any pencil, pen or an eraser. Stationery means including everything like stapler, gum, scale, pencil box, pen, eraser, everything comes, paper even, everything comes under the category of stationery. So we don't get that which stationery we are talking about, any particular. So stationery word is different from pencil, pen and eraser, because when we talk about pen is a single pen, we are talking about only pen only. Fine. When we talk about eraser, then it means eraser only. Pencil does not mean eraser, pen does not mean eraser, or any scale does not mean eraser. Eraser is eraser in itself. So stationery is a confusion, but these three are clear in its meaning. Fine. And next is water, juice, liquid and milk. Once again, water means water. Water does not mean that milk. Water cannot be similar with milk in its meaning. Juice means juice. Juice can be of different type, but it is juice only. That is not a milk. Now liquid. Liquid can be of different type. Liquid can be a juice, liquid can be a water, liquid can be a milk, liquid can be a syrup, liquid can be a drink of any kind. Fine. So liquid includes all in all liquid state, watery state. Next is milk. Milk is milk in itself. Milk does not similar to the juice. So liquid is confusion, but milk is milk in itself, that is of white color. Juice is juice of different types of fruit or anything, and water is water in itself. So we cannot make these three, water, juice and milk, similar to liquid, because liquid can be of any type. Fine. So here answer will be liquid. You have to circle liquid. Next is ludo, chess, games and carom. Now beta ludo is a game in itself. Ludo does not mean carom. When you are asked that beta चलो आज ludo खेलते, तो आप कैरम बोर्ड थोड़ी ना लाओगे, आप चेस भी नहीं लाओगे. लूडो मंगाओगे तो आप क्या लाओगे, लूडो मंगाओगे तो लूडो ही लाओगे, चेस मंगाएंगे तो चेस ही लाओगे आप, और कैरम खेलना तो कैरम ही लाओगे, कैरम की जगह चेस तो नहीं लेके आओगे ना. बट गेम्स मीन्स इंक्लूडिंग ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ गेम्स. चलो गेम खेलते हैं, पर कौन सा गेम खेलते हैं, वी हैव टू स्पीक द नेम. So here game is a confusion, but these are clear in its meaning. Which? Carom, chess and ludo. These three are clear in its meaning. Fine beta. Next is heart, liver, lung and organ. See beta, heart means heart in itself. Heart does not heart cannot be meant with liver or lungs. heart का मतलब heart ही होता है. heart का मतलब जब हम heart की बात करें तो heart के लिए हम liver नहीं कह सकते, हम lungs नहीं कह सकते. But organs, organ means a collection of different kind of organs, and organ can be of anything. हाँ, organ कुछ भी हो सकता है, वो हार्ट भी हो सकता है, वो लंग भी हो सकता है, वो लीवर भी हो सकता है. बट जब हम लीवर की बात करें तो लीवर लीवर ही रहेगा, उसको हम किसी और के साथ मिक्सअप नहीं कर सकते. सो ऑर्गन इज अ कंफ्यूजन इन इटसेल्फ, बट दीज थ्री लिवर, लंग्स एंड हार्ट, दीज आर clear in their meaning. Fine. So that is the odd one. We have to circle organs. Next is Eid. Eid is a festival of Muslim, and next is festivals. Christmas is the festivals of Christians. Navroz is the festival of Parsi people. Fine. So these are particular three different festivals. Names are given: Eid, Christmas, and Navroz. These are, in Eid we cannot celebrate Christmas, and during Navroz we don't celebrate Eid. Fine. They have particular name and they have particular reason. They have particular time to celebrate. But festival means including all festivals. Lots of festivals are there. Fine. So that is the confusion. It means that that is the different thing out of these three festivals. Fine. Next is Tuesday, Thursday, weekdays, Monday. Fine. So in a week, one time we get Tuesday, one time we get Thursday, one time we get Monday. But weekdays means the days in a week, and that weekdays can be of any out of the 7: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So weekday is the different one, odd one and confusing one out of these: Monday, Thursday and Tuesday. Because Tuesday does not means Monday, Monday does not mean Thursday, and they cannot be mixed with each other. They have their different term, they have their different appearance in the week. Fine. So this was all about the 4 pages that I have discussed. Page number 5, complete the topic, complete the word. Second page, rhyming word means similar pronunciation word. Third page, 7th number is to circle the odd one, and 8th one is almost similar, but we have to find a different one out of the given options. So I hope all of you have understood. If you have any queries, you can talk to me, you can ask me, you can drop your comment, you can ask anytime. Fine. So this is all about GK, and in next class we will start few more new pages. Till then, goodbye, take care.